tailbone, so this, from this tailbone to this part, I try to stretch up my body, but with soft knees. This is first. So I try to create one line. Then the more important how we do is our shoulder blades, yes, shoulder, because it's like every time like this, like nature. What I do, so first I raise my arm, and I understand that my shoulder blade goes side and rise. Then I need to go down and connect. So I go down with my shoulder. So this creates some kind of wing, like I call wing, yes. So it's like supporting. And when I close my arm, I try to extend my elbow. So I don't know if this is visible or not. Here, so go here. The same with the left. So I understand that this my shoulder blade is not like here. Sorry. So this is visible or not? Here, not here. I rise and you see this is now go down. So when I invite my partner, I try to raise my arms that my palms of fingers go higher than my shoulder. You see? Higher. And I open. So when I open my arms to my partner, it's immediately creates that my shoulder blades go down. Is this visible?
Yeah.
So this is. And then I straight my elbow. Or for followers like this. Let's try one more time. So first, ability of our body. If I raise my hand enough, it is possible that my shoulder blade go. Because if I only open like this is not possible. There is no space. It's like garage closed. So I open garage, I move my car, and close garage. Okay, the same. So if I invite